deny his favors or the kindness done by him. We all know in the great hadith when he ascended in the night of ascension that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was shown hellfire, wa'udhu billah. And what did he say? I saw the majority of its dwellers to be women. When asked, why, O Prophet of Allah? He said, due to their ungratefulness. He was asked, is it because they disbelieve in Allah? He said, no, not because of that. But they are not thankful to their husbands, nor are they grateful for the favors he does to them. If you do to one of them good or your life, the hadith continues saying, if you do to one of them good or your life, and then she sees something harsh from you, she says to you, I have never seen anything good from you. This is very, very dangerous, oh ladies. Be very, very careful. This is one of the reasons why Muhammad said to us that the majority of the dwellers in hellfire are women. So beware and beware and beware. A lady is not allowed to seek divorce only if there's an Islamic valid reason. As the hadith mentions, any lady that seeks divorce without a reason, she will not be able to smell the fragrance of paradise. But we have many complaints, many problems from ladies today against their husbands, which is usually or commonly associated with the common fact that their husbands are not fulfilling their duties. For example, he doesn't love me, he's not merciful, he's not affectionate, he doesn't take care of me. His lack of companionship, communication, doesn't spend time with me. He's physically, emotionally, mentally, verbally abusing me. He's not spending any money on me. In other words, he's not financially supporting her. He does not allow me, for example, to seek arbitration when I'm in dire need of it. Or another thing that she usually says, which is all valid for her to accept or seek divorce, is that the husband always warns her that he will divorce her. Always on his tongue, I will divorce you, I will divorce you, I will divorce you. Beware. It's haram. Wallahi, brothers, it's haram. This is common. He always say, men always say this to the wives. I will divorce you if you are going to go and seek arbitration or help. Islamically, under these circumstances, the lady is allowed to consult a sheikh, demanding to know her rights. What is the whole aim, the ideal situation of marriage? Why do we get married? Why does a lady get married? Why does a man get married? Isn't it so we can live in love and happiness, in tranquility, in comfort all our life? Isn't this our main aim? So when the lady is not feeling this, and the husband is neglecting or rejecting or refusing her, not paying any attention to her, how's she going to feel? She's a human being. She's a human being. And she is your flock and you are her shepherd. I'll complete my speech by saying that the lady that prays the 5 prayers, fasts the month of Ramadan, obeys her husband, protects her private parts, she will be allowed to enter paradise from any door she pleases. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.